Come here. Come here. Get the f on your stomach. Don't move. Don't move. You don't move. I shoot you. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Shoppers browsing for costumes and spooky decorations are shocked when a deadly shooting erupts in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Bro, it be going down in Albuquerque, bro. Like, bro, it's cracking in Albuquerque. That's not a place I'm supposed to be going to, cause bro, it's cracking.
The fatal encounter is captured by a body cam, but the man wearing it isn't a police officer. He's a security guard assigned to a Spirit Halloween store.
Mama killed somebody. Why? Why?
The following report is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On October 16, 2025, a 25-year-old armed security guard named Josiah Armijo is keeping watch at his current post, a Spirit Halloween seasonal costume store that seems to greatly require his services.
I'm able to patrol requesting an 82. Got 5 occupants currently stealing from the store at the Spirit off of Carlisle and Indian School. Hey, I caught him concealing it. Hey guys, I need you to leave the store. I need you guys to leave the store. I saw you concealing a shirt, so I need you and your friends to leave. Let's go. Put the hat down, let's go. Put this stuff down. You guys are no longer walking in Spirit, alright? This idiot stuck a shirt in his pants. I kicked them all out.
Josiah handles the situation, not knowing that he's less than an hour away from a much more serious encounter that will change the course of his life.
So
it begins when a customer's appearance attracts the attention of Josiah and store employees.
I asked him if he was good. He's bleeding from his hands.
I know.
He's a crackhead.
I know he is.
I
You
think
gave
he's
him
smoked
tissue.
out. He smoked out like.
Let's see if he wants. I know where he's at. I've been trying to keep an eye on him.
I know. I watched him by the door.
I am. He's tripping, bro.
Josiah moves to a position where he can better watch the man, who authorities will later identify as 41-year-old Chase Beltramo. When Chase heads for the front door with items he hasn't purchased, Josiah breaks into a sprint and a chaotic, violent encounter begins.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Let them steal that shit, bro. Like, once they, then the girl try to stop him first. She crazy. Like, bro, let them steal that cheap ass shit. Don't get me wrong, I know that y'all retail stuff, but like, bro, it ain't worth it, bro. Let them steal it, bro. Like, come on, man. She should never have been fighting with him.
Get the f on your back. Come here. Come here. Get the f on your stomach. Get the f on your... 82 in the Carlisle! Don't move! Don't move! You move, I shoot you!
Oh my god. They trying to pepper spray him now? Damn. Bro, that ain't gonna work, bro. You hot, bro.
Move, I shoot you! Get on your back! Get on your...
Somebody get the boys some
Josiah's
help.
body cam falls to the ground and 3 gunshots ring out.
Shots fired! Officer needs help! Shots fired! Call the cops! Hey, we're coming, please, bro. Hey, take it easy. We're coming, please. Hey, I'm firing off orders. Back up, bro. You're good. You safe, bro. Get him made. How are you? I'm good. Get him made. You killed him.
Ain't gonna... Let it go, bro. Let it go, man.
He's done. Bro.
Yeah, he shot him 3 times.
Josiah reattaches his body cam, but he's a long way from processing what just happened.
Son of a.
Call 911.
Shots. Where the f is my backup?
You stay down right here. Hey, get some space, bro. This is traumatic shit. Okay? Relax. Hey, breathe. You shot, you hurt, or you ain't shit?
He's shots hurt. Shots hurt.
And it.
Landon just shot someone.
He just called his mama. That's crazy. Like, don't get me wrong, bro. He wasn't bro. He just took some shit, bro. Like, he was fighting with you, but bro, run. I know they give y'all certain protocols, especially as security guards, bro. If they run out the store and leave him alone, bro, it's not worth it, bro. You didn't. Don't get me wrong. I ain't saying what he did was right. He was stealing. But you can clearly tell he was high of something. Y'all seen it when he walked in. You and a little dude seen it. And you chased him outside and you was fighting with him. You already pepper sprayed him. Get up, bro. Get yourself up, bro. If he didn't get off the ground try to attack you, I don't think he should have shot him. That's what I'm trying to say. He shouldn't have shot him. He didn't, bro. Like I said, he let him go and run away, bro. I know you're doing your job and everything, but it ain't that. He didn't have to kill that dude over some. Ain't like he was trying to shoot him or take his gun from him. Or was it?
I had to, bro. I had to.
Determining the truth of that statement will be a job for the Albuquerque Police Department, who are rushing to the scene. In the meantime, Josiah makes another call.
Call mom.
He's calling his mama, bro. What the fuck is he calling your mama for?
Sit down. All right. There you go. Have a seat, bro. Have a seat. There you go. Go. It's all right, buddy.
Mama killed somebody. I had to shoot him. I had to.
Did you really, though?
Carlisle. He tried robbing and he was fighting me. He was reaching for my stuff. I had to.
You hear me? Yeah. You know where you shot him at? Right there.
Point blank, bro. Twice.
Point blank where? In the face?
Chest.
Right there.
Where we're trained to do. Where we're trained.
Did you shoot him with a gun?
Yeah, I had to.
Josiah's direct employer is New Mexico Security Services, and soon his co-worker arrives and jumps into action.
Help him! Come on.
Did he attack you?
Huh?
Did he attack you?
We were throwing blows.
Yeah.
Come on. I had to.
What started the situation?
Stealing them from the store.
Shoplifting. You tried to stop the shoplifting.
As witnesses try to get the story from Josiah, the first cops arrive.
You let that nigga run.
Okay, girl. Take it back.
I'm sorry.
That's a good.
Why?
Josiah is relieved of his body cam, which now records him being placed in handcuffs.
Damn.
We need the pain for now, okay? Can you put
That's
thank you.
tough.
Yeah, it's real.
Did you record what happened? Did it record to the footage? Yeah.
It should have the whole situation.
You have a way of.
Yeah.
I need to call my lawyer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We're gonna go in the back of the car, okay?
If there's any way to get that to view it, we'd like to.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Josiah's body cam will give investigators a clear view of the incident.
You feel me? Because I really want to know, did he, like I said, I don't think, bro, once he get out the store, bro, let him go. I said the girl that the other employer, she shouldn't have been trying to fight. You not trying to, don't be fighting no grown man, especially the one that's high or something. Or you feel me? She then, like I said, I get on wrestling, but like I gotta see, bro. We're gonna see. I want to see what the footage shows.
And soon, additional footage will show the deadly confrontation from a very different perspective.
Like I said, I don't think he had to shoot him.
Do you need an ambulance check on you? What's wrong with you?
I feel like passing out.
You feel like you're gonna pass out? Okay. Roll your windows down.
So you were fighting this guy. I don't need too much details. There's more injuries for yourself. But
I don't know.
Okay.
This happened so quick.
All right. But you said he hit you.
Well, he ran out. He pushed the manager, assistant manager. But so I came out running.
But you weren't stabbed or anything? No.
No.
Okay.
I tried mixing him with OC spray. He started grabbing stuff, so I pulled out my gun and.
Okay. And you don't have to tell me any of that stuff.
Medics advise Josiah to keep his breathing calm and controlled, which may be easier said than done.
He's doing on TikTok.
As it turns out, that may be the least of Josiah's worries.
You feel me? Like,
Despite the efforts of first responders, Chase Beltramo dies in the parking lot from a gunshot wound to the upper torso.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I need you.
And he looked like one of them dudes that, like, I ain't say you can't take your job serious, but he looked like he take his job too seriously. Like, bro, you're a security guard. You got a weapon and everything, yeah, but that's for if you in real life danger. He said the dude was trying to grab his gun. I don't think he was, me personally, but like he looked like he takes his job too serious, and this got him, and this fucked him. It came back to bite him in the ass.
The investigation stretches into the night, and as homicide detectives prepare to speak with Josiah, Spirit Halloween representatives have to decide on their next step.
So corporate's directed us to basically stay closed indefinitely.
Indefinitely? Why? They don't have to be indefinite.
You think this store could be open tomorrow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. We need our Halloween stuff.
Exactly.
At the station, Josiah tries to get a sense of where this investigation might be going.
You feel me? Because he did that shit.
Did you see the footage of this one?
Yeah, I saw the footage of this one.
Was it, like, clear or what?
Yeah, like, the quality was really good of the video.
What are your thoughts? Because
I can't say my thoughts.
Investigators will have to use witness statements and footage to make their determinations because Josiah has little to say about the incident.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think you can tell by now how he acting in the jail. Like like I said, then he in the back. I don't get me wrong. This is some God, you pray to God situation, But like, I said, I don't think he didn't meant to do that, bro. He meant to shoot that dude, bro. And you like look at him now. He all bug out and everything. Talking about what's your thoughts on it? If you didn't mean to do it, you had justified to do that, then it'd be a totally different story. You have a totally different demeanor. But he looked like yeah, bro. Y'all get what I'm saying. I don't think he.
We record every incident that we get into.
Okay, good. That's it. I've always found him helpful, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It falls to your benefit all the time, from my point of view.
It does.
Would you like to talk to us about the evening, this event tonight?
I will, but I have an attorney because we have right to bear.
Okay.
So
you need an attorney,
I don't know their number. So anytime they said if we get in a shooting to call them, and they'll help us through the process.
Josiah is referring to a special liability policy he purchased that offers members legal aid if they're involved in a self-defense incident. The detectives agree to help put him in contact with one of the company's lawyers.
I'm an attorney in Colorado with the Right to Bear Network, and from what I hear right now,
attorney in Colorado?
This is an incident that may or may not be covered by Right to Bear, depending on what the charges are, the outcome, and some additional investigation.
is your client willing to answer questions with your presence? How would you like us to proceed?
The lawyer explains that Josiah cannot be his client because
that's not what the hell he is from out of state, but I don't think like I'm gonna let
he's from out of state and not licensed in New Mexico. But he recommends that Josiah be given time to rest and find a local attorney before answering questions. But if a good night's sleep is the key, Josiah's accommodations are perhaps less than ideal.
Good morning. I'll take you out of handcuffs. I'm gonna take you this one. Go to city glass on if you want.
If you talk to the DA, you're probably going to be out in like a day or two.
A day or two?
Yeah. Meaning day could be tomorrow morning. Depends on when the judge sees you. It could be either this morning, which is Friday morning, or Saturday morning. You don't have a huge criminal record. You don't have any of that. All that stuff is not there. So they're most likely going to release you. That's just based off of what the DA believes. Now the judge can have a whole different aspect about it. Okay. But you're being held. You're not held on what's called an open count of murder, or is there a criminal charge, meaning that there's no first degree charge. You don't have a first degree murder. It's going to be second or something below, and then
like manslaughter.
Get a hold of an attorney here in town, and then walk from there. Okay.
For now, however, Josiah is taken to the Metropolitan Detention Center. En route, he asks for a small favor.
So I think it's like it looks like a vape or something. Yeah. That can't go with you.
Can I hit it before you toss it away?
I think I can let you do that.
Y'all has be vaped out, boy. Y'all has be fiending for that motherfucker.
I needed that like all day.
At the jail, the officer not only takes Josiah's vape, but his security patches as well.
I don't know how much people have heard and, who's in there and stuff, so we got people giving you issues, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inside the booking area, issues do indeed materialize, but the anger isn't directed at Josiah.
Sit down, bro. Sit down, you dick. Whatever you down.
Oh, man, it's crack.
I hate your pig ass. Go get in the door. Like you guys like you on Central.
They put him in there with all the...
No. Where's your donut?
When peace is restored, the officers take a look at some of the first shocking images from tonight's incident at Spirit Halloween.
How's this for? So bad.
Oh,
that's my guy, 27-1.
oh,
I don't know what they saying, but it don't sound like it's too good. If you see them images, y'all see what I'm seeing? That don't look like nobody reaching for something.
These images come from surveillance cameras at the store, one of which provides a new vantage point on the tragic altercation.
Yeah, it's over
right from the moment a store employee intervenes to keep Chase Beltramo from stealing, and only seconds before Josiah rushes in.
Mm-hmm. Look at him. Here he comes, here he comes. Murder. And he popped it.
Roughly a minute into the chaos, both men roll out of view. Only seconds later, 3 gunshots bring the confrontation to an end. As dramatic as the footage is, the case soon hits a snag, the first hint of which detectives got when they called Josiah's mother earlier tonight.
You called me on my work phone, and I don't feel comfortable speaking to you on my work phone. How did you get my work number?
We have one of the district attorneys attorneys with us, and she was able to work through. They have your guys' information. We do not.
As the detective explains the next day, her employment puts a wrinkle in the prosecution.
Mijo's mother works for the district attorney's office.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I didn't actually know that even.
Yeah. So to ensure that there is no complications further in the case,
Wonder he's asking for his mom.
all of this is going to be handed over to an actual attorney in the city that does not work with the district attorney's office.
Does he have any charges against him yet, or?
Yes, we did charge him with second-degree murder last night.
I'm about to say, because, bro, he did that.
So when we were watching the footage, it looks to be self-defense, because it looks like the guy had a hacksaw or something that he was trying to hit him with.
The victim, Chase Beltramo, did have previous run-ins with the law, including a 2013 conviction for misdemeanor shoplifting and a 2014 felony conviction for residential burglary. Josiah's fate, however, will not be based on the victim's past, but by what is seen in the footage, including his own body cam recording.
You f***ing move, I shoot you!
When investigators review all the footage and speak to the witnesses on scene, they conclude that Chase Beltramo was not armed at any point in the altercation.
So he doesn't have an expectation of privacy on a camera that is provided to him. They do this for their legal means to be able to say, hey, you did this within our policies. No, you did this with outside our policies. It's the same thing we do with ours. Like if we're recording for the purpose of legal bounds, but it also keeps us within.
It protects everybody.
Yeah, it protects everybody. It tells you if the officer was
doing something wrong, or
I mean, to be frank, being an absolute.
The arrest affidavit against 25-year-old Josiah Armijo argues that while he may have had probable cause to stop Chase from shoplifting, Chase seemed to be attempting to flee the scene until Josiah put him in a life-threatening position by pointing a loaded weapon.
That's why I said he was fleeing. Leave him alone. He's gone. That's the same thing when if somebody break into your house and you see them and you point your gun at them and they run, you cannot shoot them no more because they are fleeing. Now, I'm gonna say this don't you feel me? That's what I'm saying. The dude was running out the store. He was fleeing. Dude came out on some fucking tackle, linebacker shit, and boom, tackle dude. Y'all, they over there wrestling. He flipped him over and all that. Like I said, dude was trying to get away. Me personally, he don't look like he was gonna harm him. But you feel me? That's what I thought from the beginning. You feel me? Like I said, he's running. Leave him alone, bro. Let him go. He's taking some punk ass Halloween stuff.
Weapon at him.
Don't move! Don't move!
The affidavit also criticizes Josiah's use of pepper spray only inches away from Chase's face.
Yeah, he was spraying it all in. You feel me? Look. He all in. Look.
The document concludes, because Josiah didn't have the necessary need for the use of deadly force, he was charged with second-degree murder for the shooting of Chase. Josiah Armijo was released on his own recognizance 2 days after the incident. Court records indicate that he has entered a plea of not guilty. If you'd like to see select new videos,
I wonder what's gonna happen to him. If he entered a plea not guilty, they probably gonna reduce it to like manslaughter or something like that. You feel me? Because like I said, he running, bro. He fleeing. He's not in. When he tackled him, dude was like already out past like the little cones and stopped, right there. So, but hey, man, y'all like and comment, let me know y'all thoughts on the video, man. Catch you on the next one. We out.